Bonjour, I am Vanilla from France.
Ciao, my friend. I am Cinnamon from Italia.
Hello, I am Cardamom from Sweden.
Happy Christmas! I am the mince pie, the crown jewel of the British holiday table. Filled with rich fruits and festive spices, I bring a taste of tradition to every home. Have a brilliant holiday. Cheers!
Bonjour! I am Vanilla from France. Soft, sweet, and full of charm. In France, Christmas is elegance and warmth. Joyeux Noël and Merry Christmas! Let your holidays taste beautiful.
Ciao, my friend. I am Cinnamon from Italia. I bring warmth to dolci, biscotti, and winter sweets. In Italy, Christmas is amore, familia, and good food. Buon Natale. May your holiday...
Hola, hola! I am Sweet Paprika from Spain. I bring color, warmth, and joy. In Spain, Christmas is music and celebration. Feliz Navidad and Merry Christmas. Let's celebrate with flavor.
Hello, I am Cardamom from Sweden. I bring warm flavor to cozy winter treats. Here, Christmas is full of light, spice, and joy. God, Yule, and Merry Christmas to you. May your food be warm and your holiday